here's the thing I'm going to tell you, for everybody listening, for the record, the best lead you can get in this business is a phone call lead from Google PPC. There is no other better lead in the entire world than that lead right there.
Okay, a lot of our pipeline that's closing your sign is in phone calls.
Yes. So if you know that, right, which I know that, right, so you want to have that prominent, just like he's talking about, right at the top with a call to action right in front of your face. And the other thing too is look on mobile. And on mobile, it should be that, like if you go on, or if you look at our site on mobile, it's literally the first thing you see right on top of the page. Call us today, and it's a click to call. You can click it on your mobile, and you can pull it up. Yeah, and then put a call to action on it. It says like, call us today, or give us a call now, or call now. We're available.
There are people that don't feel comfortable making the phone call, so you want to have the form as an option. But you can still direct people on what they should do. So, and the thing is too, we say that is the number one hot lead. It is only the number one hot lead if you do one thing. Pick up the phone.
Pick up the phone.
Pick up the phone. Do not let those go to voicemail. If anything comes through, any call, do not let PPC go to voicemail, because guess what you did? Your customer's online right now. It's in their head they need to sell their house. So if you go right back to your browser right now and you just type in sell my house fast, guess who they're calling next?
What about an answering service? That's a no-go too. It needs to be a
I mean, even if somebody picks up, it's better than nothing,
Right.
but it's better if a team picks up. But I mean, they're going to call me next on that list, and I'm going to pick up. And I'm going to have that thing locked up by the time your team goes, oh, what was that phone number?
Yep.
Oh, great. And I'm like, sorry, I already bought it. So pick them up. That's really important. If you don't have the people to pick them up, then yes, you could look at an answering service, because something is better than nothing versus a voicemail. But a lot of those inbound answering services suck.
We have Answer Force. It's a live answering service. They suck, but they're better than. They suck. I agree 100%. But we manage them the best we possibly can by trying to. I mean, we're on the phone with them at least, a couple times a month, going through calls and stuff like that, and working with them to get better. It's a better alternative than a voicemail. And they gather the information, fill out the form, and it goes in our Freedom Logic. But I'd rather have that than voicemail or no answer at all.
And none of your staff gets alerted after 7 o'clock at night or something like that.
Unless they do, it hits our CRM, so they'll get alerted. It's in the CRM, and if they're working, they'll work it.
My VAs are still on. I mean, they'll stay on until 10.